This is bird dog for overall core strengthening. You're going to take a foam roll and place it across the low back. So you should have a mild downward curve, not overly so, but if you round it up, the roll will fall off your back. So balance that there in a neutral spine position. If this hurts your wrists, you can be up on your fists here. Draw your belly button in. You're going to extend one arm. You can hold that for 10 seconds, not letting that foam roll wobble, alternate arms. And then leg, holding 10 seconds each. And ideally you're going to lift leg and opposite arm. Hold for 10 seconds. And being really tight throughout the transition, hinging at your hip socket so that foam roll doesn't wobble. Hold 10 seconds, opposite arm leg, and you alternate 5 each side for 10 total.